Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Fengda FD207K. This is a mini air compressor set, airbrush set. So this is basically a starter set but a portable one. So we're gonna have a look inside the box and see if it's worth it. So come with me, let's take a peek. So here we go guys. Opening the box, we have one hose, one airbrush stand, we have one adapter. This one comes as a European, but I truly believe that they have UK plugs. We have the airbrush, and we have the little unit. Plastic is horrible. So basically we have everything that we need to start airbrush. So let's assemble and let's see what this is capable of. So as you can see, there's no tank on it, which is, for me, I always prefer a tank, but having said that, for a portable compressor is what we expect. No tank, so that you can move it around every time you need, whenever you need, and move it around. So now let's plug these two. Plug. Will the plug get here? I don't know. There you go. We have it plugged. Would work better if we had it in the, let me come away a little bit more so that you guys can see the thingy here, the beast. This is a mighty beast. So this comes without a quick connection, but for now I'll connect it like this and then I'll sort it out in a better way. So we have our airbrush here. So give me a second guys. Let me see if I can bring this more into plan. There we go. So this box we can move away. And now we can start it. So this is a good thing. This is a start stop. So if you're not using it, it's not constantly working, which is good. So it's not very loud, and it helps. So as you can see, this knob here regulates the pressure, so it goes from off to a tiny bit of pressure, which is good. So this does a maximum of 2 bar. Right, not bad, not bad. So far, I'm fairly impressed, but how does it work with paint? Does it spray nicely? Does it doesn't spray nicely? So let's test it with paints. Let's get some paints together and a piece of cardboard and let's do this. So for the purpose of this test, I'm using RC206 from AK, Russian Cockpit Turquoise. So I barely use these paints. So I'm gonna use for demonstration You have the airbrush, double action, the FE207, and let's see how it behaves. First impressions, not that bad, but let's reduce a little bit the pressure. And it handles fairly well. You can see nice straight lines. We can reduce a little bit more the pressure. Oops, here comes the stand attached. Let's try a little bit more. I'll go focus a little bit on here so that you guys can see in more detail. And as you guys can see, it's spraying lovely. So now remains the question. How well it will spray in a while. It handles really well. It cooks well. And the good thing is that it's not very noisy, so you can have it on your desk and paint. As you guys can see, it works very well. The only thing that surprised me, well, doesn't surprise me much, is that the hose is working as a tank. So every time that you press, it doesn't fire up straight away. So there's a fraction of seconds there where you take in the air from the hose, which is good because you have a constant flow of paint and air. So and to be honest, the airbrush works really well as well. I'm impressed with, all in all, not bad. And for a starter kit, I think it works well. So if you guys are on the market for a starter kit, I think it's a good addition to you. You're not gonna bust the bank, and you're gonna have a nice tidy area. So the main thing with this one is that I'll be painting a model with this, and that will be a 1/48 scale model, so a big area, big chunky area, and see how he behaves, and then we can have a final decision on the say. But for now, I'm gonna say this with just this little demonstration and just this opening and setting up. But for now, for me, works a treat. I absolutely love it at the moment. Again, tiny, compact, it's not very noisy, which is a plus, and you can have it on your desk. You have the regulation knob in here, so you can just reach out to your desk, regulate the pressure that you want, and boom, job done. The airbrush itself is not a bad airbrush. It's comfortable to the hand. Trigger could be a little bit bigger, could be a little bit better, but hey yo, for the price, I can't ask for more. It's 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 lovely. Absolutely. So yeah, again, personally, I think it's a good addition for you to have on the bench. If you want the market for a compressor set, you don't have much space, you are limited on a tank compressor. This does the job, I would say. But again, until we do a couple of models, I can't say for sure, but for now, as my stamp of approval. Again, we're going to be building something fairly soon. We're going to follow up on this one, but for now, thumbs up, it's there. Hope you guys have enjoyed this, and stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel so that you guys get a follow-up on this one. Hopefully fairly soon we're gonna have a video with the follow-up. So guys, like and subscribe, and I'll hope to see you guys around soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.